If you've applied for a work visa to Italy, or your employer in Italy has submitted your documents through the Decreto Flussi program, you've probably heard of the term Nulla Osta, but what is it exactly, and how do you know if it's approved? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete step-by-step method to check your Nulla Osta online, using the official Italian government portal. You don't need to call anyone, you don't need to pay any agent, and you don't need to wait in the dark. Everything you need is right here, and it takes less than 2 minutes if you have your details ready. First, let's understand what Nulla Osta actually means. In simple terms, it's a work authorization document issued by the Italian government. After your employer submits your application, the immigration office reviews your file. Once it's approved, they issue the Nulla Osta, which then allows you to go to the Italian embassy in your country to apply for the actual visa. Without this approval, you cannot move forward, and that's why checking the status is so important. Now let's talk about how to check your status. You'll need to go to the official website managed by the Italian Ministry of the Interior. Once you're on the website, you will see a section where you can enter your application code. This is the same code that your employer or consultant should have given you when they submitted the application. It usually looks like a combination of numbers and letters. Make sure to enter it correctly, then press the search or consult the button. After you submit your code, the system will show you the status of your application. Now, the tricky part, the status will be written in Italian. So here's a quick guide to help you understand what each message means. If it says Domanda in Fasi, if it says Nulla Osta rilasciato, congratulations, your work permit has been approved. And if it says Richiesta respinta, unfortunately, that means your application was rejected. Sometimes the system may also show Domanda sospesa, which means it's on hold, usually due to missing documents or internal checks. If your status shows as approved, that is Nulla Osta rilasciato, then your employer will receive the document either digitally or by post. You can then use that to book your visa appointment at the Italian consulate or embassy in your country. Don't delay this step, because some embassies have long waiting times. Now, what if your Nulla Osta is still pending? What if you submitted the application weeks ago and still nothing has changed? In most cases, that's normal. Approvals can take from 30 to 90 days, depending on the region, the job type, and the number of applications being processed. If you've waited more than 3 months and nothing has changed, you or your employer can contact the Prefettura office in Italy to request an update, but never pay anyone claiming they can speed up the process. It's entirely in the hands of the immigration office. Let me also warn you, there are many fake websites and scam agents who promise you quick Nulla Osta updates or secret links. Don't trust them. Always use the official site. DLC Internoi at EVA, linked it in the description below. This is the only real way to track your status, and it's free. So to summarize, the Nulla Osta is your key to working legally in Italy. Once it's approved, the rest of your visa process becomes much easier. And now, you know exactly how to check it. Directly, honestly, and without getting scammed. If you found this video helpful, please hit like so more people can find it. If you have any questions about the process or you're still waiting for your approval, drop a comment below. I read every comment and try to respond with real help. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more visa guides, immigration updates, and step-by-step videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck in your Italy visa journey.